What happens to native prairie after a prescribed fire? Usually, an explosion of growth. This is what Lost Valley Prairie Scientific and Natural Area looked like in July of 2019. Earlier in the year, in May, a prescribed fire was conducted on this site. This healthy prairie is full of life, with a diversity of native plants and wildlife sustained through careful management. One reason this prairie is healthy is that periodic prescribed fires take place on this landscape. Fire has an important role to play in many of Minnesota's ecosystems, from fire-dependent forests to prairies like this one. Fire has historically played this role in shaping the landscape, sometimes ignited naturally by lightning, and sometimes intentionally by people. Early Native Americans actively used fire as a management tool, and in many places continue to do so on tribal lands. But when Europeans settled in Minnesota, fire was suppressed over large parts of the state. Most suppression was a result of converting lands to agricultural crops, grazed pasture, and roads. The bare dirt of spring crop fields and heavily grazed pasture do not burn. Roads fragment the landscape, serving as fire breaks that greatly reduce the potential size of fires. These factors negatively impacted fire-dependent ecosystems. It also allowed invasion by plants not as resilient to regular fire. In Minnesota prairies, lack of fire can contribute to invasion by trees and shrubs. Woody vegetation can shade out prairie plants, changing the community structure, which in turn can be detrimental to animal communities adapted to open landscapes. With continued tree expansion, a prairie can be lost. Many land managers, like those with the Scientific and Natural Areas program, use prescribed fire to maintain fire-dependent ecosystems in a balanced and healthy state. The seasonality and intensity of fire, as well as other factors, all determine the effects of the fire. Managers also use strategies such as burning in patches to create a mosaic of habitats for a variety of plants and animals. A safe and successful fire has many benefits. It can help combat trees and shrubs that shade out prairie plants. It can remove old vegetation to make room for new growth. It can shift soil nutrients to a state more favorable to prairie species. It can help reduce the spread of invasive and pest species. And it can consume excess fuel, reducing dangerous and intense wildfires. Prescribed fire is just one tool in the toolbox. With the use of prescribed fire and other management techniques, these natural areas, an important part of Minnesota's natural heritage, will endure.